In this video, I will show you how to make a call on Snapchat. First things first, open up the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the chat screen. Now that you're on the chat screen, look for a button at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on that. After tapping that button, you'll see two options pop up, New Chat and New Call. Since we're focusing on making a call today, select New Call. Next, it's time to choose who you want to call. You can select one person or multiple people if you prefer a group call. Simply tap on their names from your contact list. Once you've made your selections, look for the Start Call button at the bottom of your screen and give it a tap. Before starting your call, ensure you have good internet connectivity for an uninterrupted experience. A stable Wi-Fi connection or mobile data will enhance your audio quality during the call. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.